Hey artists, it's Miss Valley. I hope you're doing well and I hope again that you're happy and healthy and safe and all that good stuff. For today, Wednesday, I've got a few things I want to roll out for you. You are to spend your time today and tomorrow working on some activities that I have shared with you. So, what we are going to be focusing on for our artwork of this week, and we'll also pick this back up again on Wednesday of next week. We are going to be working on drawing facial proportions with accuracy. And when I say that, I mean learning generally where our facial features should go in a face drawing and what size they should be in relation to each other. So these things are really important. If we're trying to learn how to draw faces with accuracy, we need to understand some rules of proportion with that. So if we were learning how to draw cartoon characters, their faces are very out of proportion. That's what makes them very goofy and silly. Like the Simpsons have like really big eyes and they like basically are just big circles that are laying on their yellow faces. That's out of proportion, right? Thinking about realistic faces, there are some rules that we are going to practice and try to get better at. So what I've got for you is a couple of facial proportion videos that I want you to check out. So one video is going to walk you through, it's me walking you through just the layout of a human face drawing and where things go. And another video is going to show you an artist using a stylus drawing a human face using those proportion rules. So not only do you get to hear me talk about it and explain things, but also you're going to be able to see another artist do that practice in motion. So you're going to be able to do some practicing yourself, okay? So your job today is to watch those videos and practice at least once drawing a face following those proportion rules and guidelines that you are learning in the videos I've provided for you today. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to watch this Mornira Al Sol little screencast I recorded for you, introducing you to an artist that we are going to mimic for next week on Wednesday. So think about it like this. Our work that I'm unveiling to you today, you've got 2 days to practice drawing at least one face in proportion using the information that you've gathered from the videos I provided for you. So that's Wednesday and Thursday's work. Now keep in mind, 20 minutes per day is what you should be doing. So altogether you should spend 40 minutes practicing drawing facial proportions with accuracy. So that's what you're going to do Wednesday and Thursday. Remember, May 1st through May 4th, there's no instruction. So you get a long weekend, I guess. Okay? Secondly, preview for next week. Wednesday, I'm not going to roll out something brand new to you. We're going to pick this work back up after we do our Art of Play fun stuff. And we are going to apply Mornira's work and we're going to adopt it and do a little project that is inspired by her. And it's got to do with facial proportions. It has to do with someone in your family is going to participate in this too, or in your household. So just stay tuned for that. So this week we're practicing some skills. We're learning about a new artist. Next week we're going to apply those skills to a specific project that is still inspired by this artist Mornira, okay? So stay tuned for that. No school May 1st to May 4th. Keep that in mind. I think all the teachers are aware of that. That was something that surprised me when I first heard it, so let's hope everyone's on board with that information. You heard it from me, okay? I hope you guys are doing well. Spend today and Thursday working on spending 20 minutes a day on your facial proportion skills. Rewatch these videos as much as you need to. Pause them whenever you feel like you need to, but This is where we're going to practice building that skill set of facial proportions and get some practice in. Okay, we got to flex those muscles and train our hand and our eyes to get used to drawing faces in proportion. So now is the time where we're going to do that. So let's build those skills. Please don't forget to fill out the attendance form so I know who is showing up and at least looking at this stuff. I need to know that. It's really important. So that was a lot. Whew. I hope you guys are doing awesome. I do miss you guys so, so much. And it's really, really cool to see your work that you've been turning in. You guys are inspiring. Just know that I love sharing your artwork with other teachers and admin, like principal and all that. And it brings a big smile to their face to see what you are making at home. So you are spreading joy. Keep it up. You guys are awesome. I will talk to you later.